Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Doing a quick update on my Cub Cadet. I got the hood painted and whatever that's called, and the grills. Put on the that emblem that I bought from eBay. Looks pretty good. I like it. And then I got this over here painted too. The next thing I'm gonna paint is these like the fender piece. It's all like one big piece. I'm gonna take that off and paint that next, probably in the next couple days or something. But with that the white painted, it looks real nice. Yeah, it's not too hard to take this off, just a couple bolts. So I'm gonna be painting that next. Forgot to mention too, I gotta paint this right here, because this is supposed to be a black strip, so I gotta paint that too. I got all the bolts out that hold in the rear fender piece. Started taking it out, but it's kind of too big for one person, so I need someone else to help me lift this up. So, yep. Hey, this is the push mower I got. It's my grandpa's, but he gave it to me, and he bought it brand new in like 70 something. So this is about the same year as my Cub Cadet. And this thing runs perfect. We got it fixed up. He stopped using it about 20 years ago because he hit a piece of wire and the oil seal on the bottom where the blade is on the shaft, it got punctured, so it leaked all the oil out. And I think he just had another one, so he just started using that one and he didn't use this one, so it was just sitting for 20 years. So yeah, we a couple months ago we added the seal in, but we couldn't get it started, so we just gave up because we had other stuff to do, so we weren't really worried about it. And then like a month ago now, because of coronavirus, like kind of right around when school stopped, we decided that we would try and get it started because we had nothing else to do. And we took the cover off for the pull start, and we had to take the piece that screws on top of the flywheel. I'm not really sure what that's called. We had to take that off, and we had to take the flywheel off. And we cleaned the points, and the magnets on the flywheel were all dirty, so we cleaned that. And then we cleaned the magneto because that was like black, and it's supposed to be like shiny. The points were the spot where the magnet spins around it. And we cleaned that up. And then there was like a ground wire on top of the magneto, and we took that off, cleaned it up, and put it back on. And after doing all that, we put it back together, and it started right up. And this thing runs great. My neighbor Joel, I cut his grass now. I'm kind of like, he's like one of my like customers basically. And so yeah, I cut his grass every week. So that's why it's dirty, because I actually use it. And it runs perfect. There's literally there's like no problems with this thing. And yeah, I mean, the only thing that doesn't work is the stop thing. You're supposed to go all the way back on the like the throttle, and it's supposed to stop it, and that doesn't work. So you just got to take a screwdriver and ground out the spark plug so that it stops running. And over here we had to fix this up because this right here was this wheel was like cracked where it mounted, so we had to add this like little plate, and then that strengthened it up so it's good now. And it's got the pretty cool feature, you know, where it burns a little bit of oil, I think, and leaks it a little bit, so you never have to change the oil, which is a nice feature. But yeah, this thing runs good. Don't have the little like chute here, or the little plastic piece that's supposed to go on the back to like stop stuff from hitting you, but I haven't had anything hit me, so it's good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you want to see. My next video will probably be a gaming video, or maybe another update on the Cub Cadet, not sure yet. Let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, this is my neighbor's Joel's lawn that I mow. It's only been a week and this thing it's already real high. So I'll give you guys the after shot after. And I'll do the backyard too, show you guys that. Alright, this is the backyard. Here's how Joel's lawn turned out. I just finished weed whacking it. Gotta do my lawn next. Then I'm gonna be doing some more painting on the tractor. And sorry for going between my phone and the camera a couple times. But I didn't feel like going to get my camera when I was taking some photos before. But yeah, his lawn came out real nice. So yeah, sorry for switching between the phone and the camera. But, looks good. See you guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.